Hello, welcome to Minecraft. I'm going to talk to you today about area, perimeter, and volume. So let's imagine that I'm here and I need to plant a garden and I have some special requirements. It needs to be 3 blocks wide and 4 blocks long. So what I can do is I've got my hoe and I'm going to walk up here and I can go 3 across. That's 1, 2, 3. And then I continue down, working my garden until I get 4 rows ready to go. And so now, looking at my garden, it is 3 wide, 4 long, or an area of 3 times 4, or 12 blocks. So my entire space is total of 12 blocks. I also can tell that the perimeter would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the other side 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the total number of blocks around would be 14. And my garden is not wanting to stay. So I'm going to switch this out. Imagine I want to dig it all up. How many blocks would I need to fill this space? So it is 3 wide, it is 4 long, so I could take my length times the width, 3 times 4, which gives me 12. The area is 12 blocks. So as long as I have 12 blocks, and you'll notice I have 12 blocks of glass, I am able to fill in the entire area. So because I knew the size of each side, I knew that my space is 3 wide by 4 long, I would need 12 blocks, and that's what I have. So I now filled in this entire area with 12 blocks. Now let's imagine that's great, that's wonderful, but we want to maybe create something a bit deeper. We want something that has some depth. So I have another one here that is 3 wide by 4 long, and so I'm just going to start digging down. And I want to dig out my first layer, and then what I'm going to do is take my blocks, or my digging, and I want to give it some depth. Maybe we were trying to create a swimming pool or something here. So we'll continue to dig down. This is my second layer deep. Remember, we have a length of 4 and a width of 3. And now we have 2 layers deep. And then we're going to start in on a third layer. And so as I keep digging, what you're noticing is that my simple rectangle now forms more of a deep type of box that is 3 layers deep, 4 layers wide, and 3 layers wide and 4 layers long. How many blocks would it take to fill this space? Well, I could take, remember before, to find the area, I took 3 times 4, and I got 12. I then take that 12, and I multiply it by the 3 layers that I need, which would give me 36. So you can see that I would fill my space with 4 wide, 3 wide, 4 long, and 3 across. That will fill my space. So then I can just keep filling in with my fancy yellow glass. And so I've calculated that it would take 36 pieces. If you remember, I had 36 pieces to fill. And so it should use everything I have to fill this space. And there we go. All 36 glass blocks have filled. And you can see that my volume is 3 times 4 times the 3 layers, which gives me my volume. So there you have it. There's Minecraft volume and area.